Not technically a prepping video at the moment. Something weird happened, and every time I go out on the next hill over, it's in West Somerset, there's a lot of helicopter noise. You can actually hear it in the town during the week as well. It generally happens between midnight and 3 in the morning. A lot of lights happening on the next hill over. I've posted several videos. Now, while in the morning where you can just see the area where it happened, nothing to see apart from trees and flattened trees. But I don't review my videos. I don't watch my own videos. I edit them. I don't actually watch them. Now, somebody was asking about it, and so I looked at one of my videos, and it doesn't work. I looked at the backup. It doesn't work. I looked at the online version. It doesn't work. This video, the only thing about it is I recorded it from within the hammock, pointing the camera toward these lights, and all you can see is like a fuzzy white light. Not with the camera. It's the inside of the hammock is illuminated, and this is coming from the next hill over, and it's 1 to 2 miles away through woods, so you can still see it. It's that bright, and yet the video doesn't work. The footage does not work. It comes up like a corrupted file. And not just, this corrupt doesn't work, but like 20 different corruption things. But if you go on VLC Media Player, it tells you the corruption. And yes, there are 3 versions, and it won't work. I tried different formats. I tried renaming it. It doesn't work. So it's just weird. It makes you wonder. Fuck it, whatever. Washing up time.